Hey, it's Zen the Crypto Queen here. I hope you're doing well, and I wanted to launch right into a few things. One is about Uphold. I use Uphold to buy XRP and other coins, and Coinbase, I use that only for certain products. I don't particularly care for Coinbase that much. I do like Uphold. I know many people that need an exchange to work with. This is my preferred one. Anyway, why do I keep getting these pop-ups? I have to shut that off. I'm just sharing what I do, how I go do research daily, and if you are not following Digital Asset Investor, it's probably time you did. So go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to mine as well. I try to share once, twice, 3 times a week what I learn, or at least a how-to video to get you going with, because you are still an early adapter, my friend, even if you know very little about cryptocurrency. So that's what I'm here for. If you would like to book a one-on-one session, you can click on the link below in the description box. They are 1 hour, and we could work it out in your time zone. Leave me a comment or email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Okay, so let's launch right into this. I want you to hear this.
Apple Pay and Google Pay. So Binance doesn't have it.
So Apple Pay and Google Pay, you can now buy crypto on Uphold. I noticed that the other day when I went in to buy some.
Coinbase doesn't have it. On Uphold, you can now fund your account with Apple Pay and Google Pay. It's literally 2 clicks. You no longer have to link a card at all. And the thing I forgot to mention earlier was when you asked me what we're about to launch, next week we launched the new Uphold card,
Yay.
which pays 4% back on every purchase.
4% back.
Yeah.
So they have Uphold.
That's pretty hefty. I love it.
On the link to platform. You can click on that link. You can also click on the...
I don't do link to. I'm thinking about it though. So when I have a link, I will turn you on to that. Let's go a little further on in here and see what he's got to say.
Okay, or sued or whatever. But to not allow freedom of speech, and to have someone at any company that's making decisions as to what you can say is not American. It shouldn't be even done anywhere in the world.
There's his commentary on Twitter. So,
and that's the fact, Jack.
That's fact, Jack.
There's a reason why just individuals around the world get such large followings. It's because people are craving to be told the truth, and they know they're not being told the truth from all these networks and all this stuff that are owned by people that are making them carry a certain narrative, and you know who they are. Okay? So
yeah, that narrative's got to go.
So Elon Musk fired the Twitter CEO and the CFO. They're out of there. And I said here, we're literally watching the ending scene of The Lion King. I remember this when I was younger, watching this. It was all rain and dark clouds when the bad guys were in control. And then all of a sudden you had sunshine again. That's what it feels like. Because we should be able to say,
sooner than later.
This is Mongolia, and we...
Okay, I'm going to pause that. And, actually, I need
are
to
not
the
only company...
Say exactly what's on our mind. And then, and then there's this new topic. Putin, Russia supports Saudi Arabia membership in the BRICS group. When you hear about the BRICS group, folks, you just think about the petrodollar, because that's what all this is about. This is about these people being sick of the U.S. dollar as a world reserve currency, controlling them, putting sanctions on any of them anytime they do something that's out of line. That is what this is about. That's what it's all about. Now, Ripple put out their latest market report. In the latest XRP markets report, we discussed Ripple's XRP holdings. Now, less than 50% of total supply. The state of global crypto regulation, macroeconomics moves, and on-demand liquidity continued domination. This is the market report. The most interesting thing is this key highlight. Across Ripple's various wallets, the amount of XRP held for the first time is below 50 billion, or 50% of the total outstanding supply. Critics have pointed to the company's XRP ownership as an indicator that the XRP ledger is controlled by Ripple. This is not true. The XRP ledger uses federal Byzantine consensus to validate transactions and new features in secure network which means that each validator node gets one vote regardless of how much XRP they own. Ripple currently operates 4 out of 130 plus validator nodes on the XRP
and there you have it.
ledger. And here's Brad Garlinghouse, below 50%, a huge milestone. For 10 years, Ripple has focused on using XRP and the XRP ledger within our products for its speed, security, scalability, for movement of value. As more customers use XRP in their payment flows, it's clear there's real utility.
Let's get to
here.
Gary Gensler here.
And then this is performance review. The OIG concludes there is uncertainty whether the SEC has jurisdiction over crypto.
Review.
This is the SEC's own cop on the beat talking. And here's the OIG report. He's in the Wall Street Journal. You think Gary likes this?
Ridiculous.
Wall Street Journal, Gary
He needs
Gensler's
to go.
True.
Just like
And honored by colleagues as the man who...
They could use a cleanup, but the cleanup will happen in the U.S. and around the world shortly. I'm going to say, based on just watching and connecting dots that others might not, it's sooner rather than later. So get prepared. I'm not saying you should buy XRP. I'm just sharing what I do. And if you've done any of your own research on XRP, even if you only watch my channel, take a look at Digital Asset Investor. If you want to go deeper, for newbies, it might be a little bit much, but I will tell you this, when on-demand liquidity starts to occur and the SEC wraps up this stupid lawsuit they've got going on, and Gary Gensler gets fired, hopefully, from the SEC, things are going to change pretty fast. So get ready. Let's see what else is happening here.
Crypto law put that out. Here's what the SEC IG says about the agency's jurisdiction over crypto.
Here we go.
Basically says such uncertainty. Well, I'll read it. As the SEC continues to increase its workforce and take other steps to protect investors, there's uncertainty about which agency, the SEC or the CFTC, will have regulatory oversight responsibility over the crypto market and what legal tools and authorities will be available. Such uncertainty can unsettle market factors and elevate risk for Main Street investors.
Yeah, it's kind of what they want to do, but it'll all get settled.
Don't even believe the garbage about how we don't have any control. No. There's someone out there that can pick up the phone and make a phone call, and that little weasel's walking his butt out of there in a second. A
little weasel. Okay, I'm going to move on from that and show you this clip because I just thought it was hysterical and a great way to end this video for you and I. And it's about the Elon Musk taking over Twitter.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
A lot of things are happening.
Planets are aligned.
That's for sure.
Fuck yeah. That is for sure. Elon Musk just bought Twitter.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I mean, I hope the future is more fun and interesting. And
bullshit. You know exactly what you're... I don't think you're a bad guy. You're trying to survive for you and your family and do good.
Okay, but
your family, none of us are going to make it. There's a post-human era coming.
Yeah.
They've made frickin' deals with interdimensional aliens.
It's true.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to end on that note. Thanks for being with me, and I'll catch you on the next video. Always happy to share Digital Asset Investors videos because the man is on it 24/7. I don't know as a newbie if you can understand everything that he says, but he puts together a lot of pieces of the puzzle very elegantly, I think. So that's why I wanted to share that information about Uphold and share his video with you today. Thanks so much for being with me. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks and goodbye.